Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna talk about the money today and whatnot. So I just got off a nice conversation here with a couple of nice uh, Uber drivers over here. I came out for a ride and I just wanted to get some rest over here. And this is a popular spot where the Uber drivers would wait for the orders. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So they would deliver the coffee. There's a pizza there. There's a Mr. Greek. So what my point of this video would be, it's a Thursday night. It should be quite busy, but what they're telling me that on a Thursdays and Fridays and even Saturdays now, every day there is less and less orders over here. So what I'm trying to say is that Canadians are struggling, even our friends Americans are struggling for the money and so on. So I just wanted to let you know that if you were to lose your job, you definitely gonna fall behind. Now over here on this side, we also have a few restaurants. You see, so there's quite a bit of there's quite a bit of options over here. But despite everything, people are not eager. People are not eager to spend. People are very cautious. Canada is definitely in a recession, and the more people we bring in, it's gonna get more tougher for us over here. But I just wanted to give you some realistic overview here, an update, because I think our mainstream media is not giving us the real picture, what's happening here, and that's pretty much that. So if you look over here, a lot of people are coming down with their cars to pick up their orders. So definitely tells you that the situation is quite intense. Hopefully you found this interesting, and like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.